action.
Just so I know it's recording.
Okay, this is Katie. Flips part 3.
Yep.
Alright. Getting on a trampoline to do shit. That was a back tuck, front tuck. This is a front tuck into some branny thing. Pretty cool. That was a branny half. That was a half. She's breathing. She's walking to the other side to do something. She's going to do a gainer back tuck, I think.
Okay, that was really bad.
Wait, I kind of cut off your head. Hold on. Go again. Okay, good. You did it. Woo! Jumping. Back tuck, back handspring, front.
That was really bad.
It was okay. Unless you didn't mean to do that, then it was suckish.
What?
Unless you didn't mean to do that, then it was suckish. Okay.
Not too bad.
Are you done, or do you want to do more?
We're done.
Yours is longer than mine. Okay. Frickin' mosquitoes.
What is this? Oh.
Good.
How many was that?
I don't know. I wasn't counting.
One more thing.
Okay.
What's your
That's the back tuck, back half, and
Oh, that was terrible.
she just fell down.
One more thing.
You said one more thing 4 things ago, Katie. God. Okay. What do I press?
Big button.